Hey up guys, Liam from Retro Reborn here, back with another video. So this is episode 4 now, and if you remember last episode we pulled out the pedal box. So we're going to be working on that again in this video. So essentially we've got to adjust the clutch pedal so that it can fit with all the new cables and it can work with the new clutch that we'll be using in the 1.8T. And then we've got to fit the bracket for the accelerator pedal, and then we just got to get it all fitted back in. So it should be a nice simple video for you all, and yeah, let's jump straight into it.
Hey up guys, I was away for the weekend, so my dad did this part of the video and filmed it, so I'm just going to voice over what he was doing to give you guys a better idea. We're modding the Mk2 Golf's clutch pedal setup to work with the hydraulic clutch. Since we're swapping in the 1.8T, this runs on a hydraulic clutch system instead of the Mk2's original cable operated one. The first job was to actually remove the clutch pedal from the box. We needed it out so he could weld on a clevis pin which connects to the hydraulic master cylinder. This pin becomes the main linkage between the pedal and the new clutch system. With the clevis pin welded in place, he then refitted the pedal back into the box, and this allowed for him to line everything up inside the box, including the clutch master cylinder and the bracket that supports it. Having the pedal in position made it easier to line things up properly and make sure we get a smooth motion without any weird angles or binding. Next up, he marked exactly where the holes needed to be drilled for the brackets in the pedal box. These holes needed to be precise, as if they're like the slightest bit off, the push rod might not sit square in the pedal box, and this could end up causing premature wear or even failure. Once he was happy with the alignment, he drilled the mounting holes, bolting the bracket and master cylinder into place. He then tested the action. It's really important to make sure that the pedal returns smoothly and that there's no weird stiffness or even excessive play. Finally, with everything working nicely, he just gave it a quick lick of paint. This is just to stop any rust forming from the new welds or drill points that is used.
So obviously, as you can see, the clutch pedal's been all done. And yeah, that's how it's looking. So it's quite good. And then we've just got to fit this bracket here. So got this, and that should allow us to attach the pedal from the Audi. So essentially, to fit this, it's very simple. You slide it in, and there's just this one bolt here. It just goes through this hole here. So yeah, once you get that done, it should all be ready, and we can get fitting it back into the car. So guys, as you can see, obviously we've got the pedal box all back in, and the new clutch cable, the new clutch pedal, there's not a cable connected to it yet obviously, so the new clutch pedal's working fine. We've got the brake pedal all back in, then you can see the mount for where the accelerator pedal is going to be mounted to once we get that out of the TT. So that's all done, and then got the steering all back in as well. So guys, that's it for today. Obviously it was just one job, but it's one of those things that it has to be done, and it has to be done properly, otherwise the whole 1.8T won't even work. So yeah, that's all done now. I'm not sure what the next video will be. I've got a video coming on one of my other cars, my Mk2 Golf, at some point. It's not a big job, it's just, that's my daily driver. I've just got a little bit of work to do on it, so I just thought I'd make a video of that. And we are pulling the engine out this month. We've got a date, I'm not going to spoil it yet, but so hopefully end of this month, start of next month, you'll have the video of us pulling that out, and we can actually start putting it in this car and hopefully get it running, you know, within the next few months or so, or hopefully at least by the end of the year. Well, I would hope by the end of the year. So yeah, that's it for today guys. Thanks for watching, and you know, if you enjoyed this video, if you enjoy my other videos, make sure to like, subscribe and leave a comment. You know, all feedback is greatly appreciated.
Thanks, guys.